Hi guys, my name is Korina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show the new KKW Beauty Ultra Beam Powder Bundle. So this is the Ultra Beam Powder Bundle. I don't have the lip gloss. I don't use lip gloss that much. I didn't get it. I think that's a smart option that was given to the customers. I got the 6 powders. These are the shades. They have the pink, the peach, the bronze, rose gold, the iridescent, and the lavender. They came in this plastic packaging with little individual boxes. Nothing fancy. From the box, they came in like this. I've been wanting to get the rose gold and the bronze duo Ultra Beam. It has the lip gloss and the powder. I don't know how much it was, like maybe $38 for the duo. I'm just so glad that they came out with a bundle, just the powder, because I don't use gloss. I just want the glitters. I'm going to show you rose gold. Rose gold has been in their collection. Okay, this is how it looks like. There is a sifter inside the packaging. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to dip my finger here. Show you guys a swatch. This is the rose gold. Rose gold has pink shimmer, gold reflex. Next, I'll show you iridescence. Iridescence has been out of stock since they launched the first batch. So that's the sifter. Put it in my palm. Iridescence has purple blue shimmer. It looks like a silver. Do you guys see it? So it has purple, pink. Next, I'm going to show you bronze, which is my favorite of all. This is bronze. And that is bronze. Bronze has gold glitters, speck of glitters. It looks like silver gold glitters, which is actually pretty. So that's bronze. Next, let's go to the new shades of the collection. First, I want to show you the peach. This is the peach. I'm gonna put some in my palm. Swatch it right next to bronze. This is what peach looks like. It has gold and pink glitters, pink peach sheen, very pretty. Also great for highlighter, yeah. Next, I'm gonna show you guys the pink. This is the pink, vibrant. It's definitely not nude. Got some on my palm. I'll swatch it. So that's rose gold, iridescence, bronze, peach, pink. This is the pink. That's what the pink looks like. Could be an eyeshadow or sheen on your lips. Okay, the last one I'm gonna show is the lavender. Everybody went crazy for this color. I actually like it very much. This is the lavender. I'm so glad that they went for a very light lavender shade, a muted tone. I'll just put some, swatch it here. So that's the lavender. It's definitely the most glittery. Pink doesn't have that much glitter, but this lavender, they went all in. This is the lavender. I like this on my eyes. I tried it already on my eyes. Came out very beautiful. Rose gold, iridescence, bronze, peach, pink, the lavender. We're very up close right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to try the Ultra Beam as a highlight on my lips, also on my eyes. First, I'm going to get the bronze and put it as my highlight. I'm gonna get my Sephora brush. This is the crease number 10 brush. Dip it right there. Right here. Wow, that's super glittery. You guys can see it? I think that's extra. It's like, it's really glittery and so pretty. That's beautiful. And you only need a little bit. Wow. Okay, so that's the bronze and I love it. I'm enjoying this Ultra Beam powder, no joke. Next, I'm going to use the peach one for my lips. Going to use my finger. This is peach.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I love the heart.
You love the heart?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you make a heart?
Hmm? draw it
No.
or cut?
Break it. Break it. You need that one? You need this? You don't need that.
I need it. But I love you.
I want my mommy.
So this is how I'm gonna use it for my lips. I actually like it. It looks like lip gloss without being sticky. It's like a lip topper. Next, we're going to put some on my lids. I want to put the lavender on my lids. Got a little bit of lavender, mini flat brush. And it's very sparkly. I know you guys can see the sparkle, but I'm looking at my monitor right now. It's not even close as it is in person. Purple is the favorite. Just a note, when you put these powders on your eyelid, you have to use glitter glue. I got glitter glue from Too Faced and this works pretty good. I've tried this with the lavender as well. Definitely it was better when I put this on my lid first before I put an Ultra Beam powder. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comment box. Okay, so I'm closer to the light. What do you guys think? Is it giving it any justice? Is it ultra beaming through your monitors? Do you guys like it? I love it, but I still think it's pricey.
I know these other girls can't do it like I do it. I know you ain't used to it, to the better things. Baby, you deserve.
Okay, so what do I think? I think that for $70, they're very pricey. Yes, they're very pricey. I like the packaging. It's very simple. It's very classy. Some of the shades are very glittery. They're versatile to use. For the cons, some did not appear as expected. Like the pink one is not very glittery and it's also not shimmering. It's just a little bit dull. The lavender, very good. I love it. That's hands down the best one. Peach needs a little more shimmer too. Iridescent is beautiful and also rose gold. I didn't like the pink. Out of 6 shades, guys are thinking of getting the bundle. This is a great opportunity to get all powders or all lip gloss. Let me know what you guys think. Write down on the comments. So what do you guys think about the product? Is it worth it? Did Kim K did a good job? Is KKW doing well with their products? Do you like KKW Beauty? What do you think about the prices? How about the shipping? Did you guys have any problems with the shipping and ordering? Have you guys tried this Ultra Beam? What do you guys think? If you like this video, click that like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. It would help. If you guys like this look, I made a tutorial. Going to link the information down below. Again, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you guys very soon.
I know
Bye!
these other girls can't do it like I do it. I know you ain't used to it, to the better things.